Hi, I'm Alex.
Welcome to White Eagle. If you're watching this, something inside you is still alive, still hoping, still ready for a comeback. This isn't just a new year, it's your new chance.
The past year was hard for many of us.
We tried.
We failed. We felt tired. Some plans did not work.
This is okay.
A bad year does not mean a bad life.
2026 is a new chance. It is a clean page for you. You are not the same person.
You have lessons. You have strength now.
This time is for your growth.
This is your rebuild year. This is your restart year. First, let go of the past. Let go of the old you. The old you tried. The old you made mistakes. This is okay. But you cannot build a new life with old habits. Old fears must go.
Old excuses must go.
Accept what happened. Some days were not good. Some goals were not finished. Some promises were broken. Do not hide from this truth. Acceptance gives you power. Release your pain. Let go of the pain of failure. Let go of the pain of rejection. Let go of comparing yourself to others. Pain must teach you. It must not be you. Say this to yourself. I learned. I survived. Now I move forward. Stop saying bad things about yourself. Do not say, I always fail. Do not say, I am not good enough. Words are powerful. Words change your brain. Your brain changes your actions. Your actions change your life. In 2026, we decide to change. We do not just hope. Forgive yourself. Do not feel guilty. Growth is more important than guilt. A free mind works better. Now listen well. A strong comeback is not about motivation. Motivation comes and goes. It is not always there. A strong comeback is about habits.
Good habits work every day.
They work even on bad days. Do not wait to feel ready.
Do not wait to feel inspired.
Discipline is stronger than motivation. Discipline makes you do things even when you do not want to.
Start very small.
Do not try to do too much at once.
Read for 5 minutes each day.
Walk for 10 minutes each day.
Learn one new word each day.
Do one small, hard thing each day.
Small habits are easy to start.
Easy habits repeat often.
When you repeat habits, they change your life.
This builds momentum. Fix your mornings.
Good mornings make your whole day better.
Wake up at the same time every day.
Do not touch your phone right away.
Sit quietly for a few minutes.
Just sit.
Think about nothing or just breathe. Then decide one important task for the day. Just one.
Calm mornings help your mind focus. A focused mind helps you live a strong life. Feed your mind good things.
Read books.
Write your thoughts. Think quietly.
Sit in silence.
What you put in your mind becomes your life.
Remove habits that take your energy. Stop endless scrolling on your phone.
Stop complaining. Stop staying up late without a reason.
Stop saying bad things about yourself.
Protect your energy.
Your energy is your life.
Be patient with yourself. You will not be perfect every day.
Some days you will make mistakes.
This is normal. A missed day is not a failure. Quitting is the failure.
You can make your mind strong.
Mental strength grows.
Growth feels strange.
Discipline feels strange.
It feels uncomfortable.
But staying comfortable makes you weak.
Do hard things every day.
Even small hard things. Study when you feel tired. Work when you feel bored.
Stay calm when you feel angry.
Control your thoughts. Do not let thoughts control you. Change "I cannot" to "I am learning."
Stay calm when things are difficult.
Calmness gives you power.
Reduce noise in your life. Less phone time. Less gossip. More quiet thinking. Silence makes you strong.
Do not quit on bad days. Bad days happen to everyone. Quitting should not happen.
Now think about your future. Make a clear picture in your mind.
If you are busy but have no direction, you will feel very tired.
A clear picture gives meaning to your work.
Do not only think about today. Think about who you want to be at the end of 2026.
What good habits do you want?
What kind of mind do you want?
How strong do you want to be? See this future you clearly.
Respect that person you will become.
Every small choice you make today is a step towards that future you.
Stop weak habits.
Make a simple daily plan. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be easy to repeat.
Have strong mornings.
Have quiet evenings.
Say no to easy comfort now. Say yes to growth for your future.
Now build real confidence. Confidence does not come first.
Action comes first. Do things.
Make small promises to yourself. For example, I will walk 10 minutes, then keep that promise. Then keep it again.
Do things even if you do not feel ready.
Learn as you do.
Do uncomfortable things. This is how confidence grows strong.
Stop comparing your life to others.
Look only at your path forward. Mistakes teach you. They are not your enemies.
Real confidence is calm and quiet.
It does not talk a lot. It shows itself through consistent actions.
Remember this. You are not late. Your time is now.
You are not broken. You are not finished.
2026 is not about being perfect.
It is about not giving up.
It is about persistence. Some days will still be hard, but this time you will not quit.
You will stand up again.
You will work quietly. You will grow patiently. One day you will look back.
I did not give up.
I became stronger. I changed my life.
2026 is your comeback year.
Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Come back stronger.
Growth happens slowly. You do not always see it, but it is happening.
Just trust your work.
Even if you do not see fast changes yet.
Speak kindly to yourself. Encourage yourself like a friend.
When you make a mistake, do not attack yourself. Just correct yourself.
There is a difference.
Hating yourself takes energy.
Respecting yourself makes change.
Learn to sit alone, quietly. No distractions. No noise.
Silence shows you truth. What you need. What you fear. What you want.
Do not run from this truth. Listen to it. Your inner voice gets louder when the world gets quieter. Now, let's talk about taking responsibility. Not blaming. Responsibility. Responsibility is power. When you take responsibility for your actions, your habits, your choices, you get control of your life again. You stop waiting for someone to save you. You stop waiting for permission. You stop waiting for perfect conditions. You become the person who makes change. This does not mean you do everything alone. It means you stop giving your power away. Ask for help when you need it. Rest when you need it. But always own your path. You are building something important. Even if no one sees it now. Especially if no one sees it now.
Remember this on hard days.
You are not behind. You are not failing.
You are becoming.
Becoming needs time. Becoming needs effort. Becoming needs patience. And you are doing it. One day, the old you who almost gave up will thank the new you who kept going. So keep going.
Not with pressure,
Not with fear,
but with steady belief.
Wake up.
do the work.
Rest.
Repeat.
This is how normal people build amazing lives. Quietly.
Slowly. You do not need to rush.
You do not need to prove anything.
Just do not stop. Tomorrow, go again.